Stop. Before you scroll, listen to this. What if one day your best friends disappear from your life? No calls, no messages, no memories. Or you still remember them? Or would life move on? This is not just a story. This is a feeling. Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to Das Spoken English. Today, you are not just learning English. You are going to feel a story, live a memory, and understand emotions in English. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine every scene in your mind. Let's begin. There were three best friends, Aman, Ravi, and Suresh. They were not just friends, they were like one soul in three bodies. Every morning, they went to school together. They laughed together, played together, and shared their dreams with each other. Aman wanted to become a teacher, Rabi dreamed of becoming a police officer, and Suresh wanted to make his parents proud. Life was simple, but their friendship was pure and real. After school, they used to sit under a big tree, talking about life, joking, and dreaming big. Sometimes they had no money, but still they shared one samosa. Sometimes they fought, but never stayed angry for long because deep inside they knew no matter what happens, we will always stay together. But life doesn't always go the way we want. One day, Aman's father got transferred to another city. Everything changed. The day of goodbye came, and for the first time, those three strong boys started crying. Aman said softly, "Promise me, we will never forget each other." Rabi and Suresh held his hand and said, "No matter where we go, we'll always be friends." Days passed, then months, then years. At first, they talked regularly, then sometimes, then rarely. And one day, they stopped talking completely. Life became busy, responsibilities increased, and slowly they became strangers. After many years, Rabi visited his old village. He walked to that same tree where they once laughed together. Everything was the same, but something was missing, their friendship. Suddenly, he saw someone standing there. It was Suresh. They looked at each other, silence but full of emotions. No words, just tears. After a few seconds, they hugged tightly, like time had stopped. Rabi said, "We lost time, but we didn't lose friendship." Suresh smiled and said, "True friendship never ends, it just waits." At that moment, they called Aman, and after years, three friends were together again. Life will change, people will change, situations will change, But if your friendship is real, it will always find its way back. So, my dear learners, today you didn't just listen to a story, you felt friendship, emotions, and real connection. Remember this, true friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, guys, practice speaking this story daily. Fill every sentence, and your English will improve naturally. See you in the next video. Till then, keep speaking, keep learning, and never forget your true friends. Thanks for watching till the end.